In this video, I'll show you how to play the Aviator using ChatGPT. Firstly, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Ask it for a Python code that generates multiplier between a set range, for example 1 and 15, and bet amount between a specific range, for example 1 to 10 too. Adjust the ranges based on the risk level you want. Example prompt. Give me a Python code that chooses a multiplier value between 1 and 15 with a higher probability of numbers less than 5 and a bet amount between 1 and 10. Copy the generated code and open an online Python editor like PyNative. Paste the code and run it. The output will provide you with a multiplier and bet amount. In the Aviator game, place your bet using the values generated. For example, bet $1 and cash out at 2. Run the Python code again for new values. Just remember to check the game history to make informed decision, especially if previous rounds had high multipliers. Just note that don't rely solely on ChatGPT predictions. Use common sense and review game history to make smarter bets. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.